Under what conditions does a Taylor series converge? Okay, so as n goes to infinity, the nth term approaches 0. That is not a convergent, that's not enough, strong enough criteria for something to converge. In fact, there's a divergence test that says that if the nth term is non-zero, then we know the series will diverge. But it's a divergence test only. It's not strong enough for the nth term to approach 0 to converge. So this is not true. There's nothing that I know of no test that I know of that connects the nth derivative with being less than n factorial, so I don't even know where that fact is coming from. Part C says the limit of the remainder term equals 0. So that's going to be our choice, because the remainder, of course, is the difference between the Taylor series, that sort of sum, and what it's converging to. So if that remainder is 0, it's saying that the two are the same. In other words, it's saying the Taylor series will converge. And then this last one, just to eliminate it, A is always the center of the Taylor series, although it's sort of weird that they're just using this letter A without defining it. But this is a condition that talks about like sort of the radius of convergence. This is saying you would use this if you were doing the ratio test. And so this is like part of the ratio test. So there's like some connection to what Taylor series are, but it's sort of randomly placed here and out of context. So this is not going to help us know if a series converges or not. By the way, if you're not understanding what I'm saying by any of this stuff, and it's been a while since you've looked at Taylor series, it's been a while since you've looked at the interval of convergence or the radius of convergence, then by all means take this problem as an opportunity to do that. Go back and study up on this so that you understand this notion. Since I'm here, one more fact about this: if you're doing the ratio test, you'd be looking for where it is less than 1, because that's the ratio test says. And then the ratio test is inconclusive when this result is equal to 1. So you have to test those endpoints separately when you're doing the interval of convergence. So if this is all not making sense, then that means you need to do a little refresher on this stuff.